Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the Urban Cruiser has the required firmware and that your phone runs the latest Google Maps. Connect phone via USB or Bluetooth depending on your model. This sets data and permissions. Once connected, grant Maps permission for location, nearby devices, and background refresh so routing works continuously. You do this now because the head unit needs active location access and a live connection before map integration can start. Make sure to accept any prompts on both phone and car display. Next, pair and integrate. Launch Android Auto or CarPlay on your Urban Cruiser and choose Google Maps as the navigation app. On your phone, confirm pairing and permit access to contacts, media, and precise location. This is why prompts appear. The system needs those scopes to show directions and caller info. If using wireless mode, keep the phone close and avoid battery saver modes that suspend location services. Once paired, test by entering an address. Make adjustments to volume and route preferences on screen. To finish, run a complete route and verify voice prompts, lane guidance, and rerouting behavior. You should confirm spoken directions come through car speakers and that map updates in real time. This validates audio routing and data flow. If things go wrong, reboot the phone and head unit first, then check for app or firmware updates. If persistent failures continue, reset network settings and repair. Make sure to reauthorize location and media permissions so Google Maps reconnects cleanly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.